Dermique in Feeding Hills offers non-invasive skin therapies and laser procedures that can give you a more youthful appearance and a greater confidence. One of the procedures their experienced technicians offer is called Mira. It's a procedure that treats excessive underarm sweating, something that affects about 20% of the population. Take a look. Dermique is a skin rejuvenation and body contouring center in Feeding Hills. Dr. Swarzeski is the founder and medical director, and he told us how their practice can really increase a person's quality of life and really improve their confidence. People, a lot of times, it's their self-confidence. They're not happy with themselves. They don't want to put on a bathing suit. And emotionally, I'm sure that you can change lives.
Yeah, a great example is a young girl. She was 17. She refused to be in a bathing suit or shorts. And she really didn't have a lot of fat. She just had a little bit around her side of her body, on her flank area, and that was very upsetting to her. And we treated her, and she's extremely happy. Changed her life dramatically. She's off in Scotland going to school now. She was really a homebody. She didn't want to do anything or be anywhere, and now she's very self-confident, and she's learning new things, and it's a great opportunity for her and for us. People just want to be looking in their bathing suit, or they want to look a certain way in their clothes, and that's what we provide.
Dermique is very proud of the comfortable environment that they offer, unlike some other offices that may not be so comfortable. Speaking of discomfort, 1 in 5 Americans experience excessive sweat. A new treatment called Mira can help make that all better. Imagine never having to wear deodorant again, or never having to worry about those embarrassing pit stains again. And I'm not even lying, right, Dr. S?
That's correct.
This is true. It can actually be possible with Mira. Tell us about this procedure.
Mira is a great procedure for anybody that has any problem with underarm sweating or smell, for that matter. Basically, what we're doing is heating up the sweat glands and destroying them. So after 2 treatments, they're gone, and you're sweat-free and odor-free. So
you don't sweat, and you don't smell.
Correct.
And this is safe.
Very safe. Completely
safe. How does the treatment work with this machine and the tattoo that's on her armpit?
The tattoo basically represents where the sweat glands are, and this actually matches up to the machine. And what we would do, if we were actually going to treat her, would be to use this head, and we would place it here, and then it would go to a designated heat treatment based on the location. The thing we want to be careful of here is there's some nerves through here called the brachial plexus. So we treat lightly up here, but the machine knows that, and we treat hotter down here where there isn't anything to worry about. So with that in mind, we treat all the way across, and we treat the other side, and she's done. So this probably takes maybe 45 minutes to do.
And then 3 months later, you'll come in for that procedure once again?
Yes, and it's just basically touch-up. At that point, most of the sweat glands are gone, probably 80%. So we just treat the rest of it, and that usually takes care of it.
And that's done right here in your surgical suite at Dermique?
Actually, it's not even a surgical suite, just in one of the offices.
Just one of the offices?
Yes.
So it's that simple?
It's very simple.
And does it hurt at all? Any pain?
No. Use lidocaine ahead of time so that this is all numb for her. She's not going to feel anything at all. It gets very hot, so you wouldn't want to be able to feel anything at this point in time. But it's a fabulous treatment. People are very happy with it.
And what is the recovery time like, if any?
There really isn't. Afterwards, your arms are going to be a little bit numb, only from the numbing medication. So that's it. So a couple hours later, you're fine.
All right, tell me about what are other treatments that would be for sweat, and how are they different from Mira? The
most common one is Botox. So the Botox will be injected in the same area, and it lasts for about 6 months, and then you need to do it again. So basically, for the cost of 2 Botox treatments, you can get this treatment done, which is permanent.
And I'm sure that people are just thrilled when they know they don't have to buy deodorant, they don't have to worry about those embarrassing pit stains, and their trips to the dry cleaners decrease immensely. Who is this great for?
TV anchors.
TV anchors. Yes. Now I'm self-conscious. Got to worry about my pits.
Anybody in the public, anybody that has, going to be up and around people, salespeople, people who do presentations, anybody like that, or anybody that has true hyperhidrosis, which is, very, very sweaty glands, and it's treated very well.
It's that simple, just those two procedures. And if anyone has any questions about how you can help them, what should they do, Dr. S?
Just call us here at Dermique.
And you can, free consultation, come
Definitely,
on in?
Yeah, come on in.
Great.
And if you're far enough away, we'll do it over the phone for you. So we get people from Vermont, New Hampshire, everywhere around. So if they don't have to travel here for the consult, we can talk to them over the phone, and then they come in for the procedure.
And just imagine all that money you're going to save with all the deodorant you won't have to buy.
Exactly.
Great. Well, thanks so much for your time. It was wonderful to talk to you. And we're at Dermique right here in Feeding Hills. If you want more information, you can give them a call. You can also visit them on the web at dermique.com.